So the next acquisition tool, it's part 2 of the forensic disk basics. Next acquisition tool is image acquisition, EWF, Express Witness Compression Format. Tool uses. Okay, so we are going to check this tool. The usual forensic, we need to mount or unmount the disk and make the clone. So same as before, we can VFH, see all mounted devices, and we have mounted evidence. So we will unmount, mount dev SDC. Now that we've done it, we can see that we don't have anything like that anymore. So now we can EW acquire, then hit help real quick and see what we got in here. So I found a couple of resources. EW5F acquire is utility to acquire metadata from a source and store it in EWF, Expert Witness Compression Format. So acquire data in format equivalent to in-case FTK imager, including metadata under Windows, FreeBSD, NetBSD, OpenBSD, Mac OS X Darwin, supports reading directly from device file. On other platforms, EWF acquire can convert a raw DD image into the EWF format. Very convenient. Is a part package. libEWF supports expert witness compression format. So we can see in here, and we have some flags that we can use for this one. Log file, media type, and I want to see. Where do I have? What type of file we have in dev cd SDC block special. We don't have any format. So EWF acquire dev SDC, and we got some information about it. QUMI hard disk, and let's do some stuff on it. What do we have to do with it? Technical details, example metal fix, physical. So we have in here some technical details, image path and file name without extension. Okay, so we need to provide evidence, okay, case number, what's the description, acquired image for case number, evidence number 1, Sherlock Holmes note. We can escape this one. Media type, what do we need in here? Nothing. Physical characteristics, so this one is FTK, nothing. So it will take the default fixed physical. Now the deflate, nope, small linear case. Okay. Let's proceed with this one and this one. Now compression level, fast. Proceed. Evidence segment file size bytes. Proceed. Number of bytes per 512. Number of sector to read at once. Okay. 64 is default, so I will proceed with 64. The number of sectors to be used as an arrow. Granularity. Default to default, and here no. And we can keep this one to yes. Continue equal yes. Yes is a default, so I'm just hitting enter and proceeding with the acquisition. I can return when it's done. Okay, so it is done. We have MD5 hash calculated, and let's see what do we have in here. Okay, EWF in 4, showing the information files. Okay, so EWF in 4 evidence. We have all the info that we good compression, deflate, position case number, examiner name, and that's it. This was the expert witness compression format to EWF. That's it. So now we have mounting image, raw mount. We have flags in here. Image mounting involves mounting the evidence disk image to a local system so the data on the disk can be analyzed and inspected. In this lab, evidence hard disk image is present on an external disk mounted on dev SDC and DD are installed on the machine. Also, a flag file is kept in the root directory on the disk image file system. mount this and retrieve the flag. So let me df this one, dfh. We have mounted it in here, and let me, and we enter tab mnt evidence. We have in here image, and if we file this evidence image, we are getting the file system ext4 data, and we are getting the UID, so we can mount this one. You get here output mount mnt evidence image to output. So now we are in output, and we can look in the root folder. We have file, flag, and we have the flag. Let me check it real quick. We got it. So this is flag, and we done this lab. So this one is mounting image with EWF mount. Same as before, the FH. We can see the evidence. Now we can have the enter in evidence, and we have file in here. We can do EWF info on it, got the fixed size, deflate compression, in case 6, Linux, Mr. Jackson, and case number. Now we can NVIDIA evidence, bound to output. What is output? Wait a second. I need to make the output EWF mount MT evidence to output failed. So Okay, there output, and now the same, we have it ls output, we have file output ewf1, it has file system ext4. So now we have the evidence file, and we can mount output ef evidence o ro no recovery. And now we can evidence, see what do we have in here, and evidence, as evidence root, we have flag. And we got a flag. That's it. We got the flag, and we've mounted that disk. Mount help. We have option, comma separated list of options. What are options? Are read only, same as RO. ORO, non-recoverable. Non-recoverable. So non-recoverable, I haven't found it, though I found the man page for mount. I guess that's it. We've done this like many others before mount disk row mount. So we have the D2, and we need to retrigger the file. So let's run the fh, see what we got in the mounted section. We have image, so let me find image evidence real quick. Portion ms DOS. So this is DOS. Okay. Let's see what we got in here. mkdir output mount mnt evidence to output wrong type. Okie doke. F disk L M nt evidence. So we finally got them. Start sectors. So we will start from the sector this one, and the size is 512 bytes. So let's return to the same command, and not this one, this one. O offset. To 84 times 512. This is what we got as a final command, and this one locked output. We do have something. Any output root cat flag, and let's check it real quick, and it is it. That's it. This is indeed very nice and small lab. So long. So like others before, we need to mount this disk, but this time we will do it with Python. We have mounted evidence disk to folder dev SDC, and let's see what we get. Mount disk by script in evidence. Mount evidence disk using mount disk by. Okay, and we have to verify the flag. This is it, the FH to see what we have. This one, CD, LS, file, evidence, same as before. So we can use the mount disk by. In the help of this one, can add mount disk by. Okay, can mount which no type. If I can type mount disk by bin. Okay, hashed cat bin mount disk by. Let me see this one real quick. We have mount. So basically it's running Linux commands for making automation script media part, and then mounting with the loop no 8 time, and inform system arg1 part, maybe even determining the type of the image. So everything is done without our intervention, and this is very convenient to do. Okay, now mount disk mnt evidence looks like MRV and start all empty. What do we have? ls media see. Oh, this is it. This is the flag. Verified, but now if we return to the code of this one, we can see that parts, part, media part S, part number, P type, sorry, G, P, T, and extended. Partition are not supported by this script. Sector 0, sector 1, and BR. Okay. So that's it, and I've done all the part 2 of the basic disk forensics. Have fun and like and subscribe.